Makeup brushes. A variety of brushes are needed for different applications, such as powder, blush, eyeshadow, and concealer. Yes, different makeup brushes are designed for specific applications. Here are some of the most common types of makeup brushes and their uses. Powder brush. A large, fluffy brush used to apply and blend powder products, such as setting powder or bronzer. Blush brush. A smaller, denser brush used to apply and blend blush on the cheeks. Foundation brush. A flat brush used to apply liquid or cream foundation for a smooth and even finish. Concealer brush. A small, pointed brush used to apply and blend concealer on small areas, such as under the eyes or on blemishes. Contour brush. A small, angled brush used to apply and blend contour products, such as bronzer or contour powder, for definition and shape. Fan brush. A brush with a fan shape that is used to apply highlighter or to remove excess powder from the face. Eyeshadow brush. A variety of brushes with different shapes and sizes used to apply and blend eyeshadow on the eyelids. Angled brush. A brush with an angled shape that is used to apply eyeliner or brow products. Lip brush. A small brush used to apply lipstick or lip gloss for a precise and defined finish. Keep in mind that different brands make different types of brushes, some with synthetic or natural hair, so you might need to try a few different types before you find the one that works best for you.